Hello children, we are into trigonometry and I am sure you are perfect with all the formulas. Well, today we will do some interesting questions, and after this question we will try to do problems based on complementary angles. Right? Now this is a very simple question based on the trigonometrical values. If sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 and cos of a plus b is equal to 1 by 2 and 0 is less than a plus b is less than or equal to 90, and in this case a is greater than b given to you, find the values of a and b. Now what am I going to do? I will say consider sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. Now you need to recollect the value table. Sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2. So it means sine of 30 is 1 by 2. It means a minus b value is 30 degrees. Alright. Now again I will consider cos of a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos of what value is 1 by 2? You need to recollect the value table. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2. It means a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. You have a minus b, you have a plus b. Now what am I going to do? Again I am going to consider a plus b is equal to 60. I am going to consider a minus b is equal to 30, and I am going to add both the equations. When I add both the equations, a plus a 2a is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90. A is equal to 45 degrees. Once you are through with a is equal to 45, a plus b is equal to 60. What is a? 45 plus b is equal to 60 means b is equal to 60 minus 45. So what is b is equal to? 15 degrees. Alright. So the question asked was find a and b, and you have a here, you have b here. Now you can meanwhile pause the video, give a time to yourself, understand, then copy, and then we'll go for the concept of complementary angles. Alright. You can copy. Children, now let me explain to you the concept of complementary angle. Alright. Now if you say a plus b is equal to 90, a is equal to 90 minus b. Alright. And if I write sine a, it will be equal to sine of 90 minus b, and sine of 90 minus b is equal to what? Cos b. So I can use vice versa. Means I can convert a into b. Alright. Now this is given to you. What am I going to do? Consider 36 is equal to 90 minus 54. 36 is equal to what? 90 minus 54. It's normal algebra. Now what I want tan 36. So I'll apply tan. Tan 36 is equal to tan 90 minus 54. Alright. Now tan 36 is equal to, what is tan 90 minus 54? Tan 90 minus 54 is equal to cot 54. Is it not? Formula, complementary angles formula. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, tan 36 by cot 54, when you bring it here, is equal to how much? 1. So simple it is. Now here, what am I going to do? Directly I am going to change any one of the stuff. I will say cos 12 degrees minus sine. I will write this 78 as 90 minus 12. You just calculate what is 90 minus 12, it is 78. Now you get cos 12 minus sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So plus cos 12 minus cos 12 cancel, and the answer is 0. Now we will move ahead and then write cosecant 31 minus secant 59. I want to change this 59 in terms of 90, complementary angle. 90 minus what is 59? 90 minus 31 is 59. So it is cosecant 31 minus, apply the formula, secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cosecant theta. So cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 cancel. Answer is 0. So don't you feel the problems are very simple and very easy, provided you are perfect with the formulas. So I want you to pause the video, copy in the notes, and we will go for the next question. Yeah. Let us continue this one. Now sine 15 degrees, I will write as it is into, I would like to change this. So it is secant of 75, I want to write as 90 minus something. Tell me what is 90 minus something? 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. So it is sine 15 degrees into sine secant of 90 minus theta. Secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. And now in the next step I will write sine 15 sine 15 into cosecant 15 is nothing but 1 by sine 15. Both of them cancel and the answer is 1. Alright. Whenever you get a doubt, it is a formula. Why cosecant 15 is equal to 1 by sine 15? It's a formula. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Alright. Now, let us do this question in a similar fashion. Tan 26 I'll keep as it is into tan 64 I would like to write as 90 minus something. Now, what is 90 minus something means 90 minus 26. Confirm. What is 90 minus 26? 64. And now you apply the formula. Tan 26 into, what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta, cot 26. In the next step, I will write tan 26 into cot 26 is what? 1 by tan 26. Tan 26 cancel, answer is 1. Now in the similar fashion, show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. Now in such questions, this is equal to how much? You have to show 1. In such questions, you need to do the pairing part. Now you see 48 plus 42 is 90 and 16 plus 74 is again 90. Now what am I going to do? I will say consider left hand side. So when I consider the left hand side, I'll write tan 48 into tan 42 at one place and then tan 74 into tan 16 at one place. Everything is multiplied there. Now tan 48 can be written as 90 minus what? 90 minus 42. This I won't change. This I'll write as tan 42 only. Into tan 74 can be written as tan of 90 minus what? 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16 if you perform you'll get 74. Into I have tan 16. Now you apply the complementary angle formula. Tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. So it is cot 42. Into what is tan 42? 1 by cot 42. Into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So it is cot 16. Now tan 16 is nothing but 1 by cot 16. Now cot 16 cancel, cot 42 cancel, answer is equal to 1 and that is your RHS. Isn't it simple way of handling things? You need to be perfect with the formulas. Now I want you to pause the video and then we'll move forward for another category, another type of question. Yes, beautiful question. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 19 and find the value of a in brackets where 2a is acute angle, right? It should be mentioned 2a is acute. So what am I going to do? Very simple. I will say we know that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So if I put theta is equal to 2a, what will happen? Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to tan 2a is equal to what? Tan 2a. But what is tan 2a given to you? Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to what is tan 2a? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Right? So cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. So obviously you will get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Alright, now minus 18 will come this side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. What is 90 plus 18? 108. What is a plus 2a? 3a. So a is equal to 108 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 36 are. So what is a is equal to? 36 degrees. Alright. Now that was a pretty easy question. Now let us try to do the next numerical next problem. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90. Solution. Once again, we know that, what do you know? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Alright, anything you can write, or cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, anything. Now if I put theta is equal to b, what is going to happen? Tan 90 minus b is equal to cot b. Tan 90 minus b is equal to cot b. So therefore, tan 90 minus b is equal to cot b. But what is cot b? What is cot b? Cot b is equal to tan a. So now tan 90 minus b is equal to tan a. It means 90 minus b is equal to a. Minus b will go that side. 90 is equal to a plus b. Hence proved a plus b is equal to what? 90 degrees. So I'm sure you're following, children, the very easy and simple problems. If you're perfect with the formulas, you will enjoy. I want you to pause the video and we'll move forward for another variety of question. Yeah. We have a next question in front of you. If a comma b comma c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, you need to show tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Now how am I going to do this? Since A comma B comma C are angles of triangle ABC, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. I will send C the other side. Now when I divide by 2, I will get A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2, what is 180 by 2? 90 minus C by 2. Now once you get A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2, what you need? You need tan. You apply tan both sides. So tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Therefore, tan of A plus B by 2, tan of A plus B by 2, what is tan of 90 minus theta? Cot theta. So it is a cot C by 2 and hence proved. Such a easy question. I want you to pause the video after this and then copy the notes and practice it again and again. Alright. So meanwhile, take care and bye bye. See you in the next class.